How's everybody doing today on this Sunday? I hope it's very good. I'm here feeding the cows. As you can see, I'm inside of our John Deere payloader, working on putting some cornmeal in the mixer, our Supreme International mixer. And you know, what I'm doing right now is very important. It's very important because if you do not get the portions set by our nutritionist correct, it could be, you know, not very beneficial. We have a nutritionist that, you know, helps us determine what and what not we should be putting in our mixture, our total mixed ration, or TMR for short. And when you have all the rations, that is for us cornmeal, grain mix, conventional corn, haylage, and BMR, when you put those together, they can be very beneficial to the cow. So what I'm doing right now is I'm scooping up some grain mix to be putting in the mixer. And how I know what to put and how much to put it, we have these screens. And I'll show you these screens in a second, but we have these screens. They're, you know, normal Android tablets, kind of, and they're connected to the tractor's scales through a Wi-Fi connection. And the scales are on these mixer wagons because it, well, can measure the weight of what you're doing, because you need to be putting a certain amount of weight of whatever on there. And these screens, they connect to these scales and they help me see how much remaining weight I need to put on the mixer to have this perfect amount of load on the mixer wagon. And so right now I'm finishing up my grain mix. I got about 400 pounds left to put on there, and just like that, I'm just gonna back up now. So yeah, we had these little tablets, and so I'll show them to you in a second. So next up that I have to grab is our conventional corn silage. And then after that would be our BMR. But before that, I'd have to turn the PTO on the tractor so that everything can be mixed together. So we're gonna come around here and grab some of this conventional corn silage. I'll show this. Scooping up the conventional. That wasn't a very good scoop there. But these are the screens that I'm talking about. And those screens are very important because that's, like I said, that's what helps you figure out how much you need. And from what my screen's telling me, I need 6,000 pounds of conventional corn silage. So I'm gonna put that on there, and then the PTO will be put on. But, you know, I just wanted to pop on here and make a, well, I would say quick vid, but you know, this vid's running on 5 minutes now. But I just wanted to show you this process that we have here, and I would like you to drop a follow if you liked what I had going here, and if you're interested in more farming content. So thank you and goodbye.